Hi, my name is Mary Phillips. I'm currently an intern at BCSD. I teach 7th grade ELA, and I have two children and two dogs. I stay quite busy with my kiddos and my mom, and I am the oldest of two children. My kids and I love the water and having fun. I love to cook, bake, travel, and swim. I am a member of the youth leadership department at my church. Right now, distance learning is challenging enough, but more so with special education and middle school. What excites me about teaching is seeing the light bulb glow or come on bright. And for some of my kiddos, I just love to see it flicker. At least it's coming on. What worries me is that distance learning, some of the kids are falling further behind. And what do I do for fun? I like to take spur of the moment road trips or just sit quietly at home and watch a movie. Not a whole lot we can do right now with COVID-19. What topics in this course am I looking forward to? Is I'm looking forward to more about setting IEP goals and progress reports. And my idea of what heaven would be like is no more worry, sadness, sickness, and division. We'll have a new and perfect body and be at the right hand of Jesus. And for the believer, to be absent from the body is to be present with the Lord. And I am so glad to be in this class because I get to learn more about the IEP process and I get to meet you.